All right, so today I'm working with the 2017 Buick Regal. As you can see, it has no power, it will not start, it is a push button, and there is no little square to get it into neutral, and that's what we need to do, is to get it into neutral. So what you're going to do is you're going to take something flathead screwdriver, trim shim like I use, whatever, get it up under this little plastic piece here, if you can. Sometimes it's not that easy to do. And pop it up and open because it's just on little tabs. We're going to get that out of the way as best we can with one hand. And then right in here, you're going to see this little hole with a white button. And from there, you're going to take something thin, screwdriver, whatever you have to use. And when you put it down in there, there's a little spring that pushes down, and all you got to do is hold that down and then press the button on the gear shift and pull it back, and you will get into neutral, which I cannot do with one hand and have the thing in the way, but I promise it does go. And that's how you get your 2017 Buick Regal into neutral if you're ever stuck in an intersection or the drive-through or whatever it is that you may encounter. So there you go. Have a great day. I appreciate you, and I'll see you again soon.